I'm Lydia and welcome to How to Play Piano, the Basics for Beginners. A little background about myself: I began playing piano at the age of 7 and at the age of 12 I attended Aberdeen City Music School where my first instrument was piano. I also received my grade 8 ABRSM piano certification, which is the highest grade below the diploma. I've used my skills in playing piano to be in the pit for musicals, as well as using piano to write my own shows and compositions. So why should you learn the piano? Well, first of all, piano is relatively easy to pick up as a beginner. You don't have to worry about calloused hands like you do for the guitar, or developing facial and lip muscles in order to get better like we do for woodwind instruments. Secondly, piano can increase your concentration skills. Piano playing utilises something called split concentration, also known as divided attention, and this is how pianists are able to use both hands while reading music, listening to the notes they're playing, and working the pedals all at the same time. Thirdly, playing the piano changes the brain in a positive way. It encourages neuroplasticity, which is the ability of the brain to form and reorganise synaptic connections in response to learning. This means that when we're working on a piano piece, we're adding new neural connections that are improving memory, attention, speech, language, spatial awareness, and maths, and even the ability to vocally convey emotions. Because of this, and point number 2 about concentration skills, piano is known to increase test scores and our ability to retain information during lectures. Number 4 is that piano is good for your physical health. It sharpens motor skills and improves dexterity and hand-eye coordination. And lastly, number 5, piano playing will improve your aural awareness. It trains you to recognise tones, intervals and chords, as well as helping you to develop a sense of pitch. This can be helpful outside of a musical context as it makes it easier to identify and understand sound patterns of foreign languages.